In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the regional inpainting brush in Google Flow to transform your video projects with incredible precision. This powerful tool allows you to modify specific areas of your footage without affecting the rest of the scene, which opens up a world of creative possibilities. To get started, you first need to open your video within the Google Flow workspace and locate the inpainting feature. Once your clip is loaded, you will use the brush tool to carefully paint over the object or area you wish to change. The key here is to stay within the lines as much as possible for the best results. After you have highlighted the region, you need to provide the AI with clear instructions. If you want to replace something, simply type the name of the new object you want to appear, such as a vintage leather satchel or a colorful flower vase. However, if your goal is to remove an object entirely, you should type empty background or clean background matching the floor to ensure the space is filled in seamlessly. This process allows the software to analyze the surrounding textures and lighting to create a natural look. It is truly impressive how quickly you can swap out props or clean up unwanted clutter with just a few words. Experimenting with different descriptions can yield unique results, so do not be afraid to be specific with your prompts. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on regional inpainting, and I hope these tips help you create amazing videos. Happy editing, and I will see you in the next one.